Well, this is an even slower process than when we shortened it, which painfully slow as well. However, the reason, the why, see those panels up there? Those are what I'm practicing for, because you can't just buy new steel for something like this quarter. I do believe they sell this panel as new, but let's face it, the aftermarket is not as good as original. So I actually do have an original van side that we can graft in here, and down here where it's completely rusted out from the original battery box, I've got to get really efficient with welding not the greatest metal, not the greatest situations. Well, that's it for today. I've got this cut out, but I don't have the patience right now to trim my panel to this edge here to fit this up in there. In between welding the other side, we got a little bit of progress on the Firebird hood, but tomorrow is a new day.